No way, it happened again. Oh no, our rider has crashed! Hey, my rider has more crashes than yours! I hope our future updates will work. But seeing how our prototype is going, I'm not sure about that. Hey, the idea is good. I feel I can go even faster with this bike. Don't you say? I also feel I can go faster with my bike and also... Hey! You think we were too fast at the start, dude? I need more pace to reach top 10. Yeah. Oh, God, Miller, I believe in you. Increase my pace to be faster. Oh, do you really believe in me, or do you just want me to help you? I believe in you like I believe in Peter Pan. But how did he know I wasn't telling the truth? Time to increase my pace. Yahoo! Yahoo! Let's continue. I want my Hey, come on, my sharks! Bring me to the podium! Yahoo! Oh no, my chain! Give me a minute. Burn, baby, burn! This year won't be possible, but I can become the runner-up. Second is the first of the losers. And that's not the mentality of a champion. Hey, it's nothing personal, but you must start over with a clean mentality. Yay! I'm ready to celebrate a new victory with my third leg. Yahoo! This time, no mistakes. I will win this race. Who cares about the victory? I love my beautiful hair. I know the real me cut his hair, but why must I share the same fate? Now you overtook Marco, and there are so many laps left. I need to have fun, so I will think about my title celebration. Last time it was the 8 ball, now it will be 9. Maybe I can be the Phoenix Rising. Yes, an 8 with a 9 will be good. At least someone is helping me have fun today. Don't do that, use my celebration. I need a make has copyright. Another victory and next up, my first match on Motegi. Maybe I left my hair, but I kept my leg with me. And it's lights out in MiniBikers. Let's see who was the best and who is the worst. Green light for Marquez. He's touching his world championship. Yellow light for Acosta. He was making a great race, but his chain stopped his comeback. And the red light and fill of the day goes to Zarco and Mir, still fighting to see who will become the Crash champion. And that's all for today. Don't forget to leave a comment with your own lights on the day. Hey, see you at the next Grand Prix. And this video wouldn't be possible without the support of our friends.